Welcome back, guys, for another episode of our Ganitheo Lang Yan. So, just like what I've promised from my previous video, I am going to teach you how to create karaoke using PowerPoint. So, you know, samples of that would be when you go to a video key studio where you get to sing and just following the color that's swiping on the words, just so that you will know what's the proper lyrics for that. So what we're going to use is PowerPoint in creating that. So how are we going to create the karaoke using PowerPoint? Ganitheo lang yan. So this is a three part. I mean, not three, but it depends. Okay, this will be parts. Because I'm just planning to create something that you know won't take so much of your time. So I've already added my template for this particular PowerPoint presentation. If you want to know how to create your own template, um, just check the other videos that we have there. There is one that says creating your own PowerPoint template. Okay, so the sample music that I've decided to use for this video is Just the Way You Are by Bruno Mars. Just the way you are. Okay, so let's just add the title here. Just the way you are. Then Bruno Mars. Sang by Bruno Mars. Okay. Sang song? Let's just say by Bruno Mars. Okay, so there are different ways on how you can add some, aesthetics for your PowerPoint. For your karaoke or your video game for Filipinos. For other term, they say video game. Okay, you can add pictures as the background. You can also, have a moving object, a video as your background. What's important there is the music that you are going to use. It depends on, by the way, it depends on the version of your PowerPoint, whether it allows you to insert videos or audios. There are instances wherein a certain, if I'm not mistaken, one version of PowerPoint would require you to install quick, if I'm not mistaken, that's QuickTime, quick real time. I just can't remember. But what I'm using right now is 2016 PowerPoint. So we are going to use for this presentation, like what I said, you can use video. You can use a video as a background, and you can, yeah, it's just like you can also use the official music video of that particular song if you want to create when you're creating your own power of your own karaoke. It depends. You can also use different pictures. That will be easier. Okay, it's easier because as it goes to another lyric, it changes pictures. Another line, what I should say, another line, it changes the background image. It changes the lyrics. So you need multiple pictures, multiple background. But for this particular uh, presentation or karaoke, I'm going to use both. I'm going to use uh, I'm going to use the video, and I'm also going to show you how to do uh, the background images, just images. The one that's just changing. Um, this is are the image. The one that are changing are the images and the lyrics. Okay, so just the way you are. Okay, so let's start. First is we need to add the music. Um, let's insert the music. I've already downloaded the audio, so I can just add it. Downloads Bruno Mars, just the way you are. Okay, so whenever you are adding audio on your PowerPoint presentation, you have to make sure that when the music or the slide started to play, when your PowerPoint presentation starts to play, it should not show it shouldn't show the audio icon. Okay, so make sure that it's hidden during the show. Okay, um, should automatically start and then play across the slides. If you are using multiple slides, like what I've said earlier, you want to add, you want to use different images for your background, that's fine. Okay, but if you want to use a video, it's still fine. Okay, so every time that you create this, you can also cut the duration, just trim the audio depending on how long you want it. Creating your own PowerPoint presentation, it's really karaoke, it's really tedious, takes a lot of time, a lot of work to do, because you have to know the timing, you have to know when to transition to another slide or when to change text, especially if you are just using one slide. If it's multiple slide, that's fine because you can just transition to another slide every now and then. So um, let's add a text here. Your eyes, your eyes, your eyes. The key here is your eyes makes the stars look like they're not shining. makes the star Make the stars looks like they are not shining. Okay, shining. So it's two parts or two lines. Just have to consult the lyrics next time. So if you want this, for example, you listen to the song. When does it transitions to another to start the lyrics? That is where you are going to identify the seconds for your transition to, because here there is move, advance to the next slide after. That's your focus. So let's say, let's listen. So look at the timer here. So it's not yet starting. The lyrics is not yet starting. Okay, let's continue. Just focus. Yeah, I love this song. Okay, so the timing should be around 30 to 32. But let's change slide on 32. So, or I mean 30, so that it will give us some time for the next slide to prepare. There should be a delay. Okay, there should be a delay for this to start. So we started 32, and it should be here. See, 30, 33. So there should be a delay of 3 seconds before we start this one. The animation, the key here is the animation. The animation that we are going to use is not entrance nor exit, it's emphasis. We are going to use brush color. Yes, it's brush color. We are going to use brush color, but let's put a delay. It should always be start after or with previews. The delay should be 30. No, not 30. 3 seconds. There should be a delay of no, 2 seconds rather. So when, and then your eyes. So let's try to play that animation pane. Let's play your eyes. Oh, that's too fast. Your eyes. So let's add 1 second maybe. Your eyes make the stars look like they're not shining. Let's add. Remember, it's always brush color, and the color should be the same. There should be no delay, and then this should be after previous. Okay, and then makes the stars look like they're not shining. See, makes the stars look like they're not shining. It's too fast. Makes the stars look like they're not shining. Okay. You're so beautiful. Let's play. From page 2. Okay. Let's start. See? If there's no video, you're just staring at this on this screen. Okay, it's fine because there will be delays on timing when you're presenting it. But if you downloaded it and then played it using if you saved it as a video, it should be fine. Let's say, because what you need there is the timing should be correct. Let's save this. I just want to show you. Save it as an MPEG. Save. Should be done in few seconds. Okay, so just like what I've said, you can also add. You can just use the. You could just use the video format, or the main how do you call this, the official music video, and you just have to add the lyrics. Okay, but we'll cover that on a different discussion, or on the second part of this one. But for this, we'll just add some images, because there are different ways on how you can, make it. um, you can just do this way, stay on this slide and then move to the next slide, and then do um, multiple lyrics on a single page. They will just appear, disappear, appear, disappear, things like that. That will be covered as well. So let's just pause. So this is the one that I created. So let's play it. So I downloaded it already. I saved it on my computer as a video format, So let's just check and see if it goes to the next slide, and then follow the your eyes lyrics. Okay, it's her eyes, her eyes. The lyrics is incorrect. But yeah, as you can see, it's really a tedious work to do. But if you already have the hang of it, with your timing, with your transitions, then it should be fine. So it's her eyes, her eyes, her eyes, her eyes. And there's, oh, right. Oh, her eyes makes the stars look like they're not shining. Okay, it should be fine, I think. Let's just add some. Let's just add some more delay with this animation pane. Let's just add some more delays. Oh, sorry. There should be. Yeah, I think that's good. Okay. So it should follow moving forward. And then once you go to another video or another lyrics, you'll just have to change, or you just have to add another slide. Just make sure your transition is always after 00. Okay. Doesn't matter. So this one, every time that you move your it should be applied to all your after 00, after 00, so that you move to the next slide, and so on. Make the stars look like they're not shining. Her hair, so her hair falls perfectly without her trying. Okay, so that then you can add images. For example, let's just add image of beautiful hair. Falls perfectly without her trying. I like this one. Let's just put this as the image. Open image and the new tab. Copy image. And send back. Okay. Here, beautiful eyes. Beautiful eyes. So every time you move to another slide, you changes send to back. You change the background image. Okay. So every time you move. So I think that's for the first part of our creating your karaoke using PowerPoint. Um, I'm going to complete this and then show you how I've created my own karaoke using PowerPoint. Okay, stay tuned for the next part of this video tutorial. See you soon, and don't forget to share and subscribe. Follow us on Facebook. Ganitheo lang yan. Thank you.